Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to show you how easy it is to deploy your application with zero downtime using Kubernetes rolling update deployment strategy. Right, this is a tiny little app that I built to show off this this capability of Kubernetes. It's a Golang app with HTMX and Tailwind CSS. Nothing fancy, right? Right now you can see that it's currently running. It runs as 3 replicas. So there are 3 replicas of this application, and I can show you that easily by running this command, get ports, and then you see this. So it's currently running, started running 2 minutes ago. And here is the most important bit. Right now you can see that there is a version peel here. Right, this version peel currently points to the current version of the application that is running at this point in time. Now, for the sake of this demo, I've also added this little check that tries to fetch the current version to get the most recent version of this application while you do whatever you want to do, right? So for the sake of this demo, I've made it to be 2 seconds, but this is probably too much for a production kind of application, but that's not the point of this video. So right now we're going to deploy a new version of this application, and I have a couple of scripts commands rather that I have chained together thanks to Makefile and its ability for it to chain commands together. And we're going to use this particular command. I'm going to share the link to this repository so that you can go through what each command does, and then yeah, let's get to it. So I'm going to deploy a new version of this application, and it's as easy as, so let's call it demo. Let's say the new version is going to be called 3.0.0, and we're trying to simulate a scenario where you've just made some recent changes and you're trying to deploy a new version of your application. All I have to do is run make release do, and yeah. So I'm going to pause this video at this point in time because this takes a while. This is going to build the application, push it to Docker, then deploy a new version of the application to Kubernetes, and then starts the rollout process. So I'm going to pause it here, and then we'll come back to it later. Alrighty, it is done building and pushing to Docker Hub. Right now it's currently applying all our YAML manifest. But here is something that we're going to do. We're going to be watching this rollout update. That's Kubernetes deploying new versions of applications in real time. So we're going to watch this happen. So you're going to see what happens. It's going to create new ports, and then it's going to terminate existing ports. So that's what you're currently seeing here, right? All right, let's see this. So we can see that the rollout is successful. We can see this is the entire process where it tries to delete. So I have a configuration here in my kits folder. I'll go to deployment. We're currently running 3 replicas of our application. We have a maxSurge. So this is how you deploy using rolling update deployment strategy. You just specify the type of rolling updates, then you specify a configuration, maxUnavailable and maxSurge. maxUnavailable means, you shouldn't allow a situation where there should be 0 of our application running, which means there will be no downtime. maxSurge means, add 1 new application and then remove 1 new application at the same time. So only when you've added, that's when you remove. So in this entire process, our application will be running fine. You can see that our version P has changed to vdemo 3.0, which is what we set when we ran this command in the very first place. So with appending the version before the command allows us to automatically append it to as a build args, thanks to Docker and what it's capable of doing. So yeah, this is how to deploy your application using zero downtime deployment, and I'll see you in the next one.